In this course, we're going to build a weather app called Sunshine. The main screen is a list of this week's forecasts, with an emphasized presentation for today's weather. With just a quick glance, I can decide if today is a stay inside and code day, or if I should code from the park instead. We have icons to indicate conditions like snow, rain, fog, or sunshine. We can scroll through the list to see a long-range forecast. With a click on one of the forecasts, we bring up a detailed view containing the rest of the weathery goodness, which also gives us the ability to share the weather with our friends. We can go to Settings and change the unit of measure, as well as the location. The app can even post system-wide notifications to let us know about weather conditions without even entering the app. So, you might ask, why are we building a weather app? We chose the weather app because it's a simple concept, which touches most of the core APIs we want to teach, and everyone can relate to weather, unless you're in a bunker. By the end of the course, you'll be able to use those APIs and concepts to build your own app for your final project.